Here are 3 bathroom renovation mistakes and how to avoid them. Renovating a bathroom is an exciting process. The idea of taking a worn and tired space and transforming it into something spectacular is quite a thrill. Yet when designing a bathroom, there are all kinds of challenges that homeowners face. From the lack of space to the expense and the wide array of materials to choose from, there are many potential pitfalls to be aware of. At Archant, our expertise goes well beyond kitchens. In fact, many of our customers are solely interested in creating gorgeous bathrooms here in New Zealand. In our experience, we've talked with hundreds, if not thousands of clients looking to do just that. Through these conversations, we've identified the most common problem spots and some simple ways to avoid making those same mistakes. In this video, we're going to break down the 3 most common bathroom renovation mistakes and how to avoid them. These guidelines will not only save time, but a substantial amount of money as well. Getting the cost wrong. When you're planning a renovation, you must factor in the cost of labor, installation, as well as the raw materials. Too often, clients grossly underestimate the true cost of this process. This leaves them not only disappointed, but trying to cut corners, which can hurt the overall integrity of the project. This is where having precise measurements will be crucial. To get a truly accurate price, don't take a guess or round measurements up or down. When you're specific with sizing, the pricing will follow suit. Also, make sure you speak with your distributor about exactly when the product will be available and how long installation will take. It's best to be upfront and ask about any additional shipping or stocking fees and what the warranty offers. As an added tip, be sure to search the various price ranges on bathroom products, including tiles, vanities, and other elements. Typically, many manufacturers have a range of good, better, and best. Sometimes you can find considerable savings on products that may be slightly older, but just as beautiful and durable as the latest release. Planning the layout poorly. As we've written about before, bathrooms are notoriously challenging to design due to their smaller scale. While some consider this a limitation, we view it as an opportunity to craft a well thought out layout. With a bit of pre-planning, you can maximize each item to your advantage. First, we should address the topic of cost as it relates to the layout. One of the most expensive aspects of renovating a bathroom will be relocating items that require new plumbing. If you were to move a toilet, for example, this becomes more expensive than simply replacing it. As such, working with the existing setup will be far more efficient in terms of the budget. Of course, there may be times when you do need to move an item. Just be sure that it provides a clear benefit to the original placement. Next, be sure that your functional needs are met. For example, do you have an electric power point in the right spot for your convenience? Is there proper lighting over the mirror so that you can see what you're doing? Is a medicine cabinet easily accessible, or is it in an awkward space behind the door? All these considerations become important when using the space daily. Using timber or other non-waterproof flooring. For many years, wood floors were all the rage. In bathrooms and other spaces where water is present, this became problematic over time. Put simply, timber floors are prone to mold and mildew in wet areas. For this reason, it's no longer considered an acceptable solution in the E3 AS1 Internal Moisture Building Code. Don't get us wrong, we believe wooden floors are quite beautiful. However, in bathrooms and spaces where water is present, they can become rather problematic. At Archant, we're passionate about finding solutions to issues and barriers that may prevent a project from moving forward. To merely point out the problems without offering some sort of alternative wouldn't be in your best interest. In our experience, a better flooring alternative is large format porcelain tiles. Unlike wood, these are non-porous, and this is advantageous since porcelain has a lower absorption rate, creating a safe, waterproof surface. Should the water pool up upon the surface, there's no need to worry. It won't penetrate the tile and cleanup is easy. Additionally, the larger size of the tiles makes for easier installation and less grout to maintain. You'll also be able to choose from dozens of beautiful colors and patterns while knowing that they'll last for the foreseeable future. What does your ideal bathroom look like? We know that the ideal bathroom looks different for everyone. Take some time to think about your family and household needs. Then, start to craft a mood board with color palettes, materials, and other ideas. Take a look at our new catalog for inspiration, or visit one of our showrooms to gather some samples. The more detailed information you can accrue, the greater your chances of success with your bathroom renovation. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to be notified when new videos become available. Thanks.